Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of people deal with without even realizing it, inflammation. And no, I'm not just talking about a swollen ankle or a bug bite. I mean the kind of chronic, low-grade inflammation that builds up silently and causes issues like fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, joint pain. The list goes on. Here's the thing. A lot of the foods we eat every single day could be keeping that inflammation alive and well in our bodies. So today we're going to chat about which foods might be triggering it, how to make simple changes, and what you can do to start calming things down from the inside out. Let's start with some everyday staples that can quietly cause inflammation. Refined carbs and sugary foods are a big one. Think white bread, sugary snacks, sweet drinks. They spike your blood sugar, which sets off an inflammatory response. Then there are vegetable oils like soybean or corn oil, which are high in omega-6 fats. These aren't bad on their own, but when they overpower omega-3s in your diet, inflammation tends to follow. Processed meats, like deli cuts, bacon, and hot dogs, can also be problematic. They contain preservatives and compounds that your body just doesn't handle well. And for some people, dairy can be a trigger, especially if it's overly processed. It depends on your personal sensitivity, but it's worth paying attention to. Don't forget the additives hiding in packaged foods, things like artificial sweeteners, food dyes, and preservatives. If you read the label and it sounds like a chemistry experiment, your body might not love it. The good news, you don't have to flip your life upside down. Small changes make a big difference. Start focusing more on real whole foods, veggies, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are nutrient-packed and naturally anti-inflammatory. For cooking, swap out inflammatory oils with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even coconut oil. Healthy fats are your friends. Things like avocados, salmon, nuts, and seeds not only taste amazing, but help fight inflammation too. And don't underestimate the power of spices. Turmeric and ginger are especially great. You can toss them into a smoothie or stir them into tea and get a nice little anti-inflammatory boost. When it comes to sugar, no need to cut it out completely, but be more mindful. Choosing fruit or dark chocolate over candy or soda can make a huge difference over time. And hey, drink your water. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins and keeps everything running more smoothly. Of course, it's not just about food. Your lifestyle plays a big role in inflammation too. Moving your body regularly, even if it's just a daily walk, helps your system function better and lowers inflammation. Getting enough quality sleep is also crucial. When you're running on empty, your body stays in stress mode, which ramps up inflammation even more. Speaking of stress, find a way to manage it that works for you. Whether that's mindfulness, breathing exercises, yoga, or just unplugging from your phone for a bit, reducing stress can go a long way toward keeping inflammation in check. So that's the scoop. Inflammation doesn't have to run the show. With just a few tweaks to what you're eating and how you're living, you can start feeling better, thinking clearer, and moving easier. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tips like these. And tell me in the comments, what's one change you're excited to try this week? Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.